Hi students, welcome back to the class 8. Example, prove that tan of I log a minus b divided by a plus ib equals 2ab divided by a square minus b square. Now take a plus ib equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta equals r into e power I theta. Equating the real and imaginary parts, a equals r cos theta, b equals r sin theta. Okay, tan theta equals, we can write directly theta equals tan inverse of b by a, or r sin theta divided by r sin theta divided by r cos theta equals b divided by a. R cancel, sin by cos, tan theta, b by a, theta equals tan inverse of b by a. And a minus ib equals r into e power minus I theta, a plus ib equals r into e power I theta. Now consider tan of I log a minus ib divided by a plus ib equals tan I log a minus ib is r into e power minus I theta, a plus ib is r into e power I theta, right? r get cancelled, e power minus I theta, if it goes to the numerator it becomes minus e power minus I theta, e power minus 2I theta. Tan of I, this can be written as minus 2I theta into log e to the base e. The value of log e to the base e is 1 minus 2I square theta, I square value minus 1, minus minus plus 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This is one of the important identity. 2 tan theta value b by a divided by 1 minus b by a whole square. 2b by a divided by 1 minus b square by a square. Take LCM. 2b by a divided by LCM is a square minus b square divided by a square. 2b by a into a square divided by a square minus b square. A cancel, 2ab divided by a square minus b square. Next example, prove that cos of I log a plus ib divided by a minus ib equals a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. First take a plus ib equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta equals r into e power I theta. Equating real and imaginary parts, r cos theta equals a, r sin theta equals b, tan theta equals b by a. Similarly, a minus ib equals r into e power minus I theta. Consider cos of I log a plus ib divided by a minus ib. Cos of I log a plus ib is r into e power I theta. A minus ib is r into e power minus I theta. R cancel. If it goes to the numerator, it becomes plus cos of I log e power I theta plus I theta, e power 2I theta. Log a power b, b log a, cos of I 2I theta into log e to the base e. This value is 1. Cos of I 2I theta, cos of 2I square theta, I square value minus 1, cos of minus 2 theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos of 2 minus 2 theta is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 minus tan square theta, b by a, tan theta value b by a whole square divided by 1 plus b by a whole square. 1 minus b square by a square. Take LCM as a square minus b square. Similarly, LCM is a square plus b square divided by a square cancel. We have a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. Next example, prove that sin of log I to the power I equals minus 1. I can be written as 0 plus I equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R equals square root of a square plus b square. Square root of 0 square is 0 plus 1 square is 1. This becomes 0 plus I equals 1 into cos theta plus I sin theta. Equating real and imaginary parts, cos theta equals 0, sin theta equals 1. Directly we can write theta equals pi by 2. I equals r is 1, cos pi by 2, this becomes cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 equals r into e power I theta, r value 1, e power I pi by 2. Now consider sin of log I to the power I equals sin of I log I equals sin of I log I value e power I pi by 2. Sin of I into this can be written as I pi by 2 log e. This becomes sin of I into I square pi by 2. I square value minus sin of minus pi by 2. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Here minus sin pi by 2. Minus sin pi by 2 value 1. Next example. If tan of log of x plus iy equals a plus ib and a square plus b square not equal to 1, prove that tan of log of x square plus y square equals 2a divided by 1 minus a square minus b square. First take given hypothesis. Tan of log of x plus iy equals a plus ib. Similarly, we can write tan of log of x minus iy equals a minus ib. Now consider tan of log of x square plus y square. This can be written as tan of log of x square plus y square can be written as x plus iy into x minus iy. If you multiply these two terms, we get x square plus y square. Okay, tan of log mn can be written as log m plus log n. Tan of log x plus iy plus log x minus iy. This is a, this is b. Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Same. Equals tan of log of x plus iy plus tan of log of x minus iy whole divided by 1 minus tan of log of x plus iy into tan of log of x minus iy. Tan of log of x plus iy is a plus ib plus this, the value of this one is a minus ib whole divided by 1 minus a plus ib into a minus ib. A plus a to a, ib minus ib cancel, 1 minus a plus b, a minus b form a square minus ib square. 2a divided by 1 minus a square minus ib whole square is I square b square. I square value minus 1. Minus minus plus 2a divided by 1 minus a square plus b square r equals 2a divided by 1 minus a square minus into plus minus b square.